I have to address the 1-gallon elephant in the room. The fuel tank capacity is officially 0.92 gallons. While Honda claims an optimistic 110 miles per gallon, my aggressive, wide-open throttle city riding saw me hitting the reserve at around 50 or 60 miles. I found myself at the gas station far more than I'd like, and because there's no digital fuel gauge, just a basic analog needle, range anxiety is a real factor if you plan on long commutes. The wheels are also tiny, a 12-inch rim up front and a 10-inch rim in the rear. This makes the bike feel nervous at its top speed and very sensitive to road grooves. Lastly, there's the licensing hurdle. Despite its small size and scooter-like operation, this is a street-legal motorcycle. In most states, I still needed my full M1 motorcycle endorsement to ride it legally on public roads, which might be a barrier for someone just looking for a scooter experience.